Hey folks, a few clouds around, but nothing in the way of rainfall today. This is your First Warn 5 Doppler network. It has gone quiet, and I think the next few days is going to stay quiet. We just don't see much to change things. Future Track says, yes, a few clouds around overnight and during the daytime tomorrow, but for the most part, we are rain-free for the next several days. By tomorrow afternoon, partly to mostly sunny again, and that's something that's going to repeat itself the next several days. We're coming under the influence of a big ridge in the upper atmosphere, and what that does for us is make us dry, at least for the next 3 days, probably the next 7 and beyond. Of course, beyond that, there's always potential for some changes. 105 right now in Rio Grande City, 94 Weslaco, Raymondville's 92, and Port Isabel checks in at 90 degrees. Overnight, most of us will bottom out in the upper 70s and low 80s once again, so a warm and humid night across the region. And then tomorrow afternoon, here we go, 98 Weslaco, 100 McAllen, 103 in Rio Grande City. A little cooler at the beach, about 88 at South Padre Island, with winds out of the southeast all day at about 10 to 16. Normal high now is up to 96. And tomorrow going to be 98, 99 for Wednesday and Thursday with dry conditions, bright sunshine, not record-setting days, but certainly a little bit above normal. Here you see those high clouds kind of streaming across late this afternoon. Been with us during the afternoon hour, so it's not a clear blue sky. Push it back and notice those are way out on the edge of course, the remnants of Barry now up over Arkansas, over into parts of Tennessee and Kentucky. A lot of rain up there, but the biggest rainfall totals have been right down in here. Take a look as we zoom in a little bit closer on Louisiana. There's New Orleans. Back here's Lake Charles, there's Alexandria, and right there's the heavy rain between all of the cities. So a big break in that it wasn't along the I-10 corridor, but still there's an 11.2 inch total. And we've seen some totals in excess of 14 inches from this, and it's still raining in many of those locations. So those numbers are going to go up, up, up. That's the remnants right there. Those are the remnants. It's going to go northward and get out of here. The big ridge is going to take over, stretches from Atlantic all the way back to the southwestern part of the U.S. That's hot and dry for us. Hot and dry, hot and dry, hot and dry for the next several days. There's Wednesday. Thursday, things don't change. The ridge still in control of things. That stabilizes the atmosphere, and it means our chance of rain is at a minimum. Here are the current temperatures right now. It's 105 in Laredo, 101 in Del Rio. El Paso's 102. Dallas cooler at 93. Austin's only 92. And Houston almost comfortable at 91. So your First Warn 5 AccuWeather the forecast for tonight, a low of 80, partly cloudy, warm and muggy. Then tomorrow afternoon back in the upper 90s again, mostly sunny, breezy and very warm, south to southeast winds at 10 to 15. Temperatures topping out near 100 really all the way through the forecast period. Not a whole lot of change. For the most part, sunshine, hot, breezy, nighttime lows around 80. Not much chance of any significant rainfall anytime soon. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.